Hello, welcome to Sheen's Kitchen. Today I'll be making roasted beef, also known as soya. I'll just be using two ingredients, which are mesquite and Maggi, which I'll be using to season the beef that I will be using. Since I have already washed and cut my beef, I am going to season it. I have added all my ingredients to taste, so now I'm going to mix it. I'm done mixing the beef, so now I'm going to cover it and let it sit for about 2 hours so the seasoning can enter the beef. It has been 2 hours since I've left the beef to marinate. So now I am going to add it into the oven for 30 minutes so it can cook. I have set the oven to 30 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit at boil. For the first 15 minutes, I'll let one side of the beef cook. Then for the last 15 minutes, I'll flip it over and let that side cook. I am going to turn the beef over to the other side since it has been 15 minutes. The beef is ready, so I'm going to start cutting it into small pieces. The beef tastes so juicy and it tastes so good. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Stream's Kitchen for more videos. Bye.